Alright, Assalamu alaykum habibtiis. كيف حالك إن شاء الله كل بخير. Now, okay, so I'm a little discombobulated because I did come back from Memphis just yesterday. Alhamdulillah, I really enjoyed my trip. It was just 2 days, but a lot can happen in 2 days. But anyway, so I don't want this video to be long, but I do feel like I owe you guys a video. This thing is kind of crooked. I'm trying to fix it, but anyway. So, but yeah, I don't want this video to be crazy long because when I went to Memphis, I kind of just spent what I had. I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly. I'm gonna show you guys my financial journal and everything that I kind of marked in here. So when it comes to, so I kept every single receipt that I got from Memphis. I don't think I threw one away, and so that I could come home and calculate everything. There were some things that I did with cash, which is in orange, and then things that were done on my card were done with is in green. And so everything in cash, I spent $122 or around that much, and then card was like $183. And my dad did give me some cash, he gave me $50. I spent that at the zoo. And so I was trying to just see, because I did go over, but I spent the cash that was in my wallet that was supposed to last me this week. I spent it, unfortunately, but I get paid Thursday, so I'll be fine, honestly. And then I still have like half a tank when it comes to gas, so, and I'll have food. Like, I'll be fine. Like, that's normal for me. That happens sometimes because I'm a low budgeter, so that's normal. And then and yeah, that's about it. So in total, I spent about $384. So with the room, with the hotel included, I spent like $384 for a 2-day trip to Memphis. And then, not that page, I'm sorry, hold on. And then, so I overspent when it came to, so these are all my bills that I have. Let me go to this page. You guys can see the bills that were due. So this was the 8th and the 9th, my trip to Memphis. And then on the 10th, which is today, I had, what is that, $25, tomorrow, $3, and then Netflix, and then my Discover card. So I added those up, and to see what I needed, I need $109, but I only have $83 in my bank account. And so I did the difference, which is $25. And off camera, I already took that from my, what is it called? I took that from my supplements because my supplements envelope had $40. So I just took the $25 from that, and I'm gonna take it to the bank later today or tomorrow. And that way I don't have to go and spend any more of my savings, because I did spend $100 while I was in Memphis on my savings, from my savings account. And I haven't really discussed this with you guys, but I do have money that comes out of my check every month. Not every month. I do have money that comes out of my check when I get paid, every time I get paid, and it goes into my savings debit card account. And so that's where this extra money comes from. So I'm either going to pay myself back or I'm not going to worry about it. It just depends. It's not a big deal to me because that money is extra money anyway, but I am saving it so that I can move into a new apartment. That's what that money is really for. But I'm not budgeting it in a binder because I don't really want to touch the way that I have my bank account set up, because I did that before I started budgeting. So yeah, hope that's not confusing. So yes, that's what happened with Memphis, but I did it all off camera because I just didn't want to confuse myself trying to do it while explaining it to you guys. So I did it off camera. So anyway, that's that on that. The most important reason while I'm recording this video, today is because of my ones. And I was going to do it off camera, but I said no. I've been sharing my $1 challenge journey with you guys. I'm not going to do that off camera. So like I told you guys, everything is empty except for household. Still has $5 in it, but everything's empty. And then I have my ones. So let's take these out. Y'all, it's a lot of ones because these are the ones from before I went to Memphis and during Memphis when I spent like all that money from my vacation binder. So it's a lot of ones, and I'm happy about it though because I'm so excited to see where we are with our challenge so far. And so I need it's shaking. I hope you guys can't tell it's shaking. Our savings challenge binder. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Why did I forget where it was? Okay, so y'all, it's so full, which is a good thing. So this is the money that I had before that it wasn't enough. If you guys watch, you know. Okay, that's what we have so far. So let me put these. Make sure everything is correct before I start counting it. I think it is. And we're gonna add these $4 to this pile. All right, trying to get those thumbnails, y'all. Okay, so, and I am in my robe because I just decided to do this kind of, not on a whim, but just kind of got up and did it. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You guys, we have $25. That's crazy. Like, it's not, but it is. I'm telling you, if there's one challenge that I love more than any of these, it's going to be the $1 challenge. Like, I've saved the most money. Well, I actually don't know because I have this challenge and I haven't counted it yet, but I've just saved anyway. Like, I've saved a lot of money week by week because every week is different. I feel like you do the $1 challenge and you think to yourself like, oh, I'm only going to save a couple of bucks a week. No, like, I've saved almost $30 in like the span of a week because I went on a trip and I spent cash for as much as I could. And, you know, even on my trip to Memphis, you know, I saved all my ones. So we have 20, I said 25, I believe I said 25. I'm going to count it one more time just to be sure. 25. All right, 25. And we can do 2 12s actually, which is crazy. Okay, that's crazy to me. We can do 2 12s, which is 24, but I'm just gonna I'm not gonna mention the extra $1. I'm just gonna add it. Yeah. I don't know. It's kind of ugly, but I've already done it, so I can't take it back. I'm gonna blow out my candle. Yeah, it's kind of ugly like this, but I don't know. I'm gonna just keep it like this. Anyway, it kind of looks like butterflies. I don't know. But we have $22 left, and then we'll finish this, and that'll be my yeah, and then we'll finish this, and I'll have to find me a new challenge. All right. So let me count the whole stack with you guys just to see how much we have so far. I'll probably need my calculator for this one. Oh, actually, hold on. I'm also gonna, let me see. I'm gonna put my calculator here and my tray here. All right. Let's see. Oh, hold on. I messed up. 6. 20. 20. That's another pile of 20. All right. 20. That's another pile of 20. Ooh, 19. This is 19. So plus 19 plus 5 plus 5. Wait. Y'all, wait. This, I don't know if you can see, but it says 104. Y'all, I had no idea that I reached $100 because the way I do this challenge, if you haven't been watching, I don't want to keep you guys for too long, so I'm just gonna put my money away now. I'm like happy, but I'm just confused. Like, I had no idea that I had already reached $100 because this challenge is from Savings by Grace. I knew that it went over $100, but I didn't know it went over that much. I thought it went over like 105. I don't know. I guess I counted wrong. Not my money. I mean this. I think. Let me count it and see. Let me see. 5 times 3. Let me see. Plus 8, plus 8, plus 8. Plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. Plus 12, plus 12, plus 12. 105. Did I count wrong? Hold on, something's not adding up. I must have added some extra ones in here or something. I'm gonna count this again off camera just so I can make sure I didn't count wrong. Okay, I counted wrong. It's 84, not 104. I added an extra, I don't know what I did, but yeah, I counted wrong. Okay, I just had that whole thing for no reason. Okay, you guys, I counted wrong. The actual amount is 84, and we need 20, actually we need not 20, we need 16 more dollars. Plus 16, yeah, and we'll be at 100. So that makes more sense. That makes a lot more sense. Okay, so this, I am done. I'm going to put this back. I am excited to finish this challenge. though. Like, look at how beefy it is. I love when this challenge gets beefy. Like, it's the most beefy envelope that I have at one time. All right. There we go. There we go. Yeah, it's beefy in there. All right. Assalamu alaikum, you guys. So this is, I don't know where I'm gonna put this in my video, but I completely forgot to unstuff my coins with you guys in this video. This is the next day, the next morning. I was like, I went to take that money to the bank that I told you guys about, and I was like, wait a minute, I still have all these coins in here. So really quickly, let me dump that with you guys. Here is my coin jar. I'm so excited to do this again. So yes, here is all my coins from the week. I'm not even, oh, hold on. Okay, one more. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I told you guys that I don't spend my coins. I save them, but I can't speak. I did spend them this time because I wanted to get full bills back instead of ones, because I just wanted to use my money, you know, more of my money than getting back ones. So yeah, so this could have been more, but this is still a lot of coins for 1 week. So we are going to put these in here. All right. And we are like 25% with this jar so far, but I want a prettier jar than this one. This one has served me very well for like a very long time actually. But you guys, give me comment down below some places where I can get like pretty jars. I would use this, but I'm not finished with it yet, so I'm not gonna melt it down just yet. Anyway, yeah, so let's get back to the actual video. Bye guys. All right, you guys, that is the ending of this video. Thank you so much for tuning in if you've tuned in, and I will talk more about my trip to Memphis with like pictures and things in my probably my cash stuffing videos, probably where I'll do that. And I will just see you guys in the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Assalamu. Bye bye.